If you want to unblur photos on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, then this video is for you. First, you just need to open your Galaxy store, and from here you just need to search for Galaxy Enhance X. You just need to get this application. Just simply tap on install and it will install the application on your device, and it will help you to unblur some photos and videos that you want. So let me skip the video from here to completely install on my device. It's about to install. You just need to wait until all the additional file has downloaded to your device. After downloading all the additional file on your device, then you will find that it is now installing. Now wait for the completion of your install process. Now you can tap on open to open this Galaxy Enhance X application on your device. So skip the tour. You can go and see all the features from here. Now allow the permission. Now allow all the permission from here that it asks for. Now you have to select a picture or video. You can tap on it. Now let me choose a picture from here. For example, this one is kind of blurred here, so I'm going to just unblur this. So you just need to tap on fix blur and it will unblur this photo with the help of AI, Galaxy AI. Now here you can see a differentiate bar where you can find the difference. Here is the before, this is the before image, and if I just swipe it right, let me show you from here. If I swipe it right, left is to the left, then you can find that it is totally cleared now, and before it has some blur effects from here. It has motion blur here. So that's how you can just unblur an image on your Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra easily. After simply tap on done, you can save this fixed image on your gallery. So that's how you can unblur photos on your Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.